Oh, nice. Look at that.
Hi guys, we are doing a fizzy rainbow experiment.
Hello guys. Yes, we are doing a fizzy rainbow experiment, aka we are doing the baking soda and vinegar science experiment today.
All you need is baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, and soap.
And we need the soap if we want to see more bubbles and more foam on that. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with putting about, I'm going to say about half a cup of vinegar into each of our cups.
Why me? Okay.
Pour it in the first cup.
Just relaxing. Next, I have to put color in each cup. Now we mix red, next, I have to add some little bit of soap so it can be nice and bubbly.
So squeeze just a little bit in each.
Get ready for an explosion. Boom!
Alright, so now we're all done. We got our cups, we got our food coloring mixed in there, we got our vinegar, and we added some soap for a nice bubble action. And so now, Nori, you're gonna take a scoop of some of the baking soda and put it into each cup one at a time. Go ahead.
Okay. Wow.
Keep going, keep going. Take a nice spoonful into each. Go ahead. Wow.
Yay.
Take a big scoop, big scoop.
Whee.
Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, look at that blue.
And the purple.
Oh, nice. Look at that.
We can feel it. Can we feel it?
You can. It's going to be nice and stinky.
Nice.
Be careful. Don't pop your cups over.
Look. I rainbow. Why baking soda always make it go up?
Okay, well, this is basically a chemical reaction. So we got vinegar, which is an acid, and then we have the baking soda, that's a base. And basically when they both combine, they react, and then they release carbon dioxide, which is a gas. And then we add the soap to it, which creates more bubbles, which means more fun.
If you don't add bubbles.
If you don't add bubbles, you'll still get the same reaction.
Let's do that.
You want to do it again?
Yes.
Off camera.
Yes. It looks like mud.
You're just having so much fun, huh?
Yes.
Did you like this experiment?
Yes. I hope you guys try my fizzy rainbow baking soda and vinegar experiment. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And I see you guys in the next video. Bye.